This okay, my G?
Yeah, that looks good, bro.
Already.
That looks fire.
Hey, you need a bag?
Yeah, can I get one?
I got you. Hey, taste it for the camera for me. You hear me?
Alright.
Yeah, taste that stuff.
Let me taste and see what we got.
Yes, sir.
Bro, that shit fire, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that shit fire.
Hey, I appreciate you.
I want what he got, just like that. Just like that.
That one piece?
That was 2 or 1.
One.
How much is that?
Big.
Together it'd be $13.36. And you say you want a one? Just a fillet?
Yeah,
Or you want the meal?
the meal.
I got you. Bet just $12.
I'll take that.
Bet $12.
A meal to go, young man.
I appreciate you.
I'm gonna shoot right over to the liquor store, eat a little bit.
Yeah.
Nobody passed up.
Yes, sir. Here you go.
Thank you, brother.
Uh-huh.
Got you.
Already.
For sure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I like that non-tax, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
I like that non-tax.
Yes, sir.
Bet.
No, I don't got no okra.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, my freezer broke, so I can only, hold so much.
Got
Yeah.
the main thing, you know.
Yeah.
I can dig it, bro. I can dig it.
Yeah, then it's like I got the warranty on my deep freezer, but Lowe's, you can't take it in the store no more. You got to call that
I be
number.
on the same shit in the house, bro. Like, I'm finna get a triple axle trailer.
Yeah.
And do the same thing, but I'm gonna have a pickup truck.
Yeah.
I don't wanna be gassing up no truck. I'm
Yeah.
not.
Hey, but I ain't gonna lie, it's only like $100 to fill up.
For real?
Facts.
How many miles though? Like,
I ain't gonna lie, the tanks, I be on the tank for about like 2 weeks.
I ain't gonna lie, that ain't bad, bro.
That's cute.
It's like 50 a week.
Come on. So it's like I be, on me.
Yeah, I'm good with the grill and some more shit.
Oh yeah.
I know how to do it fast. Like I used to do it for the fast food people, bro.
Oh yeah.
I know how to do it for myself.
Yeah.
Go get a box of shit out of
And that's what I did. I just turned it around.
mama, yeah.
You know what I mean? I just turned it around and did, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on, you get it.
Yeah, bro.
Come
Oh,
on,
bro.
you get it. On me. Yes, sir. Do that look okay, OG?
Oh yeah. That's slick there.
Hey, I appreciate you.
Where you gonna be at on the weekend?
Probably here.
Alright,
Yeah, I'm here all the time.
Alright.
Yeah. And I appreciate you for giving me a chance. You hear me? Thank you.
I got something for you for free a while back.
Yeah,
I just didn't know where you was at. I'm in the neighborhood now.
already. I appreciate you, my brother.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Hey, bro. If I threw you, eight more, you can do that 3.
The 3.
I just read that. I ain't even gonna lie.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got some fat ass kids, man.
Hey, man, shit, they gonna love that. You feel me? On me. Hey, you a good
I'm
man.
just adding this on to the shit I already got at the. You know what I'm
Come
saying?
on, I already know how it is. Come on now.
Yeah, man.
Hey, that's
I
what.
cut hair though.
Oh,
For
yeah?
real. I'm tight with the clippers.
Yeah. Hey man, you ain't got no card?
Nah, but I'm gonna get some off Amazon. You know,
Okay.
it don't take number $25 to get a 500 stack.
Oh, that's what's up.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Oh, bro. And
On me.
I go to people and they can come to my shit.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll tap in with you,
Hell
man.
yeah.
Hell yeah. Yeah, I'll tap in with you for sure.
Hell yeah. I've been cutting for like 7 years.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I started the joint.
That's how it go.
I'm cold.
Hey man, I remember I was in a joint cutting hair, boy. They ran me about that motherfucker. They were like,
I
man,
had
this
motherfuckers
nigga.
cash out my people. and
Oh,
shit.
that's what's
Oh,
up.
bro, yeah.
That's what's
'Cause
up.
I'm tight. I'm like tight.
That's
they
what's up.
was like, bro, how you get your beard to look like that with the, you know, the mirrors be
Yeah,
fucked
yeah,
up.
yeah,
I'm
yeah,
like,
yeah,
bro, I
yeah.
know, I can feel it. I feel it out. I wouldn't even use a mirror, bro.
That's what's up.
They was like, man, that shit tight. And I
That's
started
what's
doing
up.
it on people.
Yeah. That's what's up.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, it's time to turn up now.
Yeah, bro.
It's time to turn
You
up.
feel me, bro?
On me. It's
On me.
time.
How it feel?
Hey, bro, is this okay?
You got some barbecue up there?
I got you. Hey, man, I got turned on. That's fire. That barbecue with the man. Okay. I was sleep on it at first. I'm
Nah,
like, man.
people be like, what?
Yeah,
They watch
until you
do
try
it,
it.
and I be like, bro, eat this, man.
Until you try it. That's crazy.
Yeah. You know, you gotta smoke a little weed to be creative. You know
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, that's when everything come out.
Yeah. That's when the real taste buds kick in.
Yeah. There you go, bro. I appreciate you for giving me a chance, bro.
Man, I got
Already.
you, man.
Thank you, bro.
No problem.
You got it.
Have a
It's
good rest of
open.
your day, bro.
Already. You too,
All right.
bro. Hello.
How's it going?
Good. How about you?
Good. Can I get the 3-piece catfish meal?
Uh-huh.
And can we also get an order of the steak and shrimp loaded fries?
Hey, the only fries I got today is the seafood. That's smoked sausage and shrimp.
The only ones we have today are the smoked sausage and shrimp fries. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Will that be all?
Yes.
All together, it'll be $41.87.
Is that a fine? You can keep the change.
I appreciate you.
Thank you.
Here you go. This a vibrate when you order
All right,
something.
thank you.
Thank you. Hey, girl. You be swerving in that lane. Yeah. On me.